Hello. So real quick, I'm just going to show you guys how you're going to log in. You're going to create an email and password already. So I'm going to type mine and then hit log in. And then it'll do this probably. So what you're going to do is click trouble signing in for some reason. You're going to do click here and then it'll work. So make sure you click that button.
Okay, so once you have your account, this is the Popplet screen. We're going to make a new Popplet. We're going to name it Matching Numbers. So we are going to pick red and we are going to make it so. So what we can do is we can create one side with answers, and then another side can be solutions. Can actually draw in here. And then we can match to the other side. And that's just one way Popplet can be utilized.
So you can do all kinds of different organizers with this. You can make timelines, you can do cause and effect relationships, you can do cycles, and the cool thing about this is you can share it. You can share it to Facebook, wherever you want. You can make your Popplet public, and you can also add a collaborator. So if students want to work together to create an organizer, they can search and look up the name or email address of the person they want to work on the project with.
Hi again. Okay, so I'm going to go over another part of Popplet. So these are the Popplets that you make. It's your folder. And then there's also a portion where you can go to public Popplets. So you have access to see what other people have created. The only thing is there's no feature that allows you to search for specific topics of Popplets. So you can see the most recent ones. So here we can see that some teacher somewhere had their students use this to study energy. So you can see the most recent ones, and then you can go and see more if you go down here and click pages. There's just page after page. And then you can also search them like by most popular, but there's no way to actually search for a specific topic.
I'm just going to go over some little details about the program. You can actually zoom in and out, change colors, and go to settings, so you can export it in many different formats, view it in many different formats, add Vimeo, and save it.